Hey watchers, welcome to Veterinary Vicinity. Today we are going to talk about Uttar Pradesh veterinary entrance details. Indian Veterinary Research Institute Bareilly UP. It is one of the premier institute of veterinary science. There are in total 24 seats available for BVSC and AH course. Admission is done through NEET scores. 4 seats are filled through VCI counseling for the All India quota, and for rest 20 seats you have to register separately on IVRI counseling when notified by the university. Cutoff for 2020 was for general category 604 marks and for OBC category 595 marks. Banaras Hindu University, Rajiv Gandhi, South Campus, Barkhacha, Mirzapur, UP. There are 60 seats available for BVSC and AH course. The admission is done through NEET scores. Cutoff for 2020 was for general category 559 marks and for OBC category 549 marks. Please remember to register yourself in BHU counseling when notified by the university, as they conduct their own separate counseling. UP Combined Agriculture and Technology Entrance Test, also known as UP CATET. UP CATET is a state-level entrance exam that is conducted once a year. It offers admission in BVSC and AH in Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel University of Agriculture and Technology, Meerut, Narendra Dev University of Agriculture and Technology, Kumarganj, Faridabad. The UP CATET is of 3 hours duration and it is taken in offline mode. Application process is filled in online mode only. Application forms are already closed for the session 2021. For official announcement of date of exam, please visit regularly the website. Application fee is 1250 rupees for unreserved and OBC category, and for SC/ST it is 1050 rupees. Candidates should hold domicile of UP to apply for this exam. The total questions asked in UP CATET are 200. Total marks carried is 600 marks. There is no negative marking. We have provided a instruction brochure in the link. For selection, under 70 to 80 rank has a fair chances, but it varies yearly. This is the status on 19 June 2021 for UP CATET. You can go through it. Acharya Narendra Dev University of Agriculture and Technology. Admission for state quota is done through UP CATET scores. For BVSC and AH course, the free seats available are 50, the paid seats available are 12, and the NRI or sponsored seats are 6. That makes up total 60 seats. In Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel University of Agriculture and Technology, Meerut, the admission for state quota through UP CATET score. For BVSC and AH course, the free seats available are 40, the paid seats are 20, the NRI or sponsored seats are 8. That makes a total of 68 seats. All the important links are provided in the description box. Don't forget to check that. If any queries, please drop your comment. We will revert soon. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. That keeps us motivated to come up with more videos. Thank you.